Best Under Desk Shelf Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular under desk shelves in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this under desk storage so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use right away. The one that made our list is the Elevation Lab Under Desk Storage Shelf. Now you can easily add under desk storage to your desk and keep items out of sight, easy to access, and your desk clutter free. It works great with standard desks, computer tables, and standing desks as well. You can attach it to your table using the premium 3M adhesive. If you want to, you can also screw it under the table using the wooden screws provided. This storage shelf is made from premium fiber reinforced construction for extended durability. It also has a small front lip so items don't roll out. To check out the full specs of the Elevation Lab Under Desk Storage Shelf and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/undershelf. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this storage shelf. So there you have it, the Elevation Lab Under Desk Storage Shelf. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this storage shelf is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Elevation Lab Under Desk Storage Shelf and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/undershelf. Alright, thank you for watching.